In this problem, I'm told that x is going to be greater than 0. Okay, you can think of it as your domain, the allowed x values. And I'm asked, what are all the possible values of y? In other words, what are all the possible values of this thing I want? In other words, the range. So one method you could use is just graph the function y equals negative x over x plus 1. Now, if you don't remember how to graph rational functions, that's fine. I think there's an easier way. Let's try something else. What I want to do is just make a verbal list of the things that x can be. And it's a big list of numbers, but it's easy to say x is positive, right? It could be 1/4, it could be 400, it could be 1,000,000, but x is going to be a positive number because of this inequality. Now, if we imagine plugging positive numbers in for the equation y right here, what sorts of stuff are we going to get? Well, pick a positive number. I don't know, 1. We would say y, where x equals 1, is negative 1 over 1 plus 1. Or in other words, negative 1/2. Okay, great. Try another one. How about y of 10? Right, that's also positive. So we would get negative 10 over 10 plus 1, which is negative 10 over 11. Okay, how about 100? Y of 100 equals negative 100 divided by 100 plus 1, which is negative 100 divided by 101. Now, if you plug these into your calculator, you'll notice a trend. I'm going between something that's almost equal to negative 1, right? This is like negative 0.99 something, and numbers that are actually getting a little closer to 0, still on the negative side. But if you plugged in like x equals 0.2, you'd get something pretty close to 0, actually. So the range for these values is going to be everything between 0, which is kind of on this end, and negative 1, which is kind of on the other end. So that's this guy right here.